Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ron Case and I'm the mayor of Eden Prairie. I'm sitting here with Rick Getcho, the city manager of our city. We're here to update you on the COVID-19 crisis. This is Friday, March 20th, 2020. As we all know, everything is almost changing hourly. We appreciate you joining in. I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge that this is the most unprecedented of times that we're living in. It's quite the word these days. I think I've heard the word unprecedented used 20 times in the last week. I just want to thank all of you, our residents and our city staff, for the sacrifices being made, for the positive response and support from all of our residents, and especially for how our community has come together. Mr. Getcho, do you want to give us a little bit of an update on where things stand right now with city staff and services ongoing, and just how the city is responding to this crisis?
Yeah, Mayor, that's a great question, because I tell as many people as I can that in some ways business goes on as usual.
The lights are still on.
The lights are still on. The buildings may be closed, but all of our services continue. We're responding to all calls, whether it's a 911 call that people have, or it's a call into any department into the city. All of our operations are continuing. I mean, obviously I'm biased. I think we have the best employees in the state, if not the country. So
I would agree with that, by the way.
Thank you. But in a situation like this that, as you said, is unprecedented, our employees have risen to the occasion. Yes. And again, I would argue that in some ways, even if there isn't a physical presence in City Hall or in the community center, senior center, art center, we're still working. I mean, I'm copied on emails where just a lot is continuing to happen. So,
what preparations have we made and are we making if the virus has a great impact on our actual staff? If we begin to see absentees, or are we sending people home, or do we have capabilities? Police department, fire department, how will we keep the staffing up to speed?
Great question. So people that are here, whether it be police, fire, public works, in certain circumstances, we do have people in teams and everyone is practicing social distancing. But in terms of other operations at even City Hall, actually I would say that a majority of them are working from home. They're not here, but business goes on. So we have a lot of people working remotely, and those that are not, we're practicing social distancing and working in teams.
Sure. So
and again, if our employees are ill or symptoms of illness, they are staying home. They're not coming in.
So the big takeaway is that we've been well prepared. We have contingency plans in place, and the city is continuing to operate at full speed and assist our residents in any way that they need. I will add that there are nonprofit organizations out there as well, beyond what the city services are providing, that people might want to reach out and contact. And we have a site, as many of you know, edenprairie.org/coronavirus, that regularly we're updating with contact emails. But just to let people know that PROP is available, and again, we have website and phone number out on our edenprairie.org/coronavirus website. Senior Community Service, Bloomington Eden Prairie Meals on Wheels, Eden Prairie Schools Family Resources Program, Hennepin County Mental Health Emergency Services, Day One Minnesota. There's just a lot of organizations, and again, just stay in contact with our website and you'll be able to see regular updates to that. Mr. Getcho, is there anything else that you think the people of Eden Prairie at this point might need to know or want to know? And I think mainly it's the takeaways that they can still reach out to us and contact us, but any closing thoughts from you before I finish up?
Mayor, all I would add is our elected officials are in contact, and you especially, with the community and city staff. And as city manager and the directors of the city, we're meeting every single day on a regular basis and working with our employees and planning ahead. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, next week, or next month, but we're making plans as if we can handle whatever situation's going to come forward. So I think I think we're doing well and we're doing the best we can. You can't really fully judge and evaluate until we're through this,
Sure.
but we're working hard for the best interests of all of our residents and businesses.
Well, I know that I said this at the council meeting last Tuesday, that I am so proud of our staff. I'm so proud of the people of Eden Prairie, proud of our city council right now, that we just have so many quality people in place. So I just want to encourage anyone out in Eden Prairie to continue to reach out to us, reach out to city staff, and with the phone numbers that are listed on our website if you have concerns about any of our particular areas within our departments. Reach out to our city council. They're responsive, they want to hear from you, and please feel free to reach out to me. And you can find again our emails out on the website and also phone numbers. So thank you, people of Eden Prairie, very seriously from the bottom of my heart for how we have all pulled together. There's a lot of hashtags going on out there right now, but the hashtag "We're All in This Together" is one that's trending, and I feel like that embodies what I'm sensing here in Eden Prairie. And again, proud of this community and proud of the people that live here and the way that we pull together. Please reach out to us if you need anything. Let us know how we can help you. Thank you. Be safe. Take care.